Asazi sishe sithi get rich or die trying. Yaza no.
So unique. That's what you are. Lingerie reflecting off the mirror on the bar. Category sexy. I'm one of one. I'm the I'm number one. I'm the only one. Don't even waste your time trying to compete.
Hi guys. Hi. Why am I shouting? Guys, I have a lot of pimple. I have a lot of pimple. I have a lot of pimple and people must talk. People must talk. If you want me, say I'm available. These shades are big. I like them though. I really like them. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. For those who don't know me, my name is Ongezo, but you can call me City Mom because I am a mother of 3 handsome boys. If you've been here, thank you so much for the love and support, and to my new subs, thank you so much for joining the family. Guys, I am at push-up stand, guys. I'm here at well, I'm sitting in the car, but I came to drop off, not necessarily drop off. I'm waiting for my cousin Uzumasa and my son to a license department. They need to do the license. So obviously first step is doing your learners, and then so they're here to register for ukuthi bafumane i-date. Yes, i-date yokubhalile learners, ne? Then but dates, and then they come back. Well, when they get the dates, I'll obviously not be here, but I'm here now, so hence ndibazisile. So they're gonna get the dates, and then I don't know when they're gonna come back, and then they do the learners, and then off to the next step, which is doing the license. Some of you guys have been asking me here, Guti, why do I always drive when I'm with my son? He can't drive. No, he can drive, but if you don't have license, I'm not gonna give you my car, because I mean, you clearly don't want to drive. Like, if you don't have license, to me, you don't want to drive, you don't want to learn how to drive, and you don't want to be a professional driver because you don't have a license. So I don't care if you know how to drive, you're not gonna drive my car if you don't have license. So I've been telling him to multitask, do the license while he was still at school, and I told him it's easy. It's like, it's not rocket science. A license is very easy, learners is very easy. I wrote learners same day and I pass. So I don't do you can't multitask while you're doing your degree. You can, but I guess he just didn't want to, because now that he's done, we didn't have to say much. Like, he wants to do it. So yeah, that's what we're doing. Let me not yap. And then we're gonna go home. Yeah. Oh no, we're gonna go to Esheli. We're also gonna go to Esheli. I just posted my vlog now. It's live on YouTube. Yeah. So, and then we're gonna go to Esheli. Uzmasa wants to go to shop Mr. Price. The shoes so utufuna uyozithenga. And then that's about it. I'm just basically running errands for them. Bazobhala bobabini because Uzmasa also doesn't have license. So le ndlela le bazohamba bobabini xa sendihambile mina. Bazogibela ama-taxi bobabini. Or I don't know what they're gonna do. But yeah guys, I thought let me just open this vlog. I don't know if we'll finish it up at Joburg because it is a Friday today, and I'm planning on going back to Joburg. I think I'm gonna go back on Wednesday. I have so many things that I need to do that side, so I don't want to get there a weekend. I want to give myself like 2 days off the week. So I think on Wednesday I'm gonna drive up, and then Thursday, Friday I can do my things. So yeah, let's start this vlog. I hope you guys enjoy it, and please don't forget to like the video. Please like it, man. Please like it. Please like the video. Okay, exactly. I'll see you on my next one. Hey guys, bye guys. I just bought umbila because I'm still waiting for these people. I'm still waiting for these kids. Awuthambanga. Oh. But it's nice. I don't want to drive and go get food, because if I drive, they might just call and say they're out, they're here. So I'll eat this in the meantime. And parenting. Mase beqedile ama degree kumele bathole ama license. Mase beqeda ama license kumele bathole imisebenzi. Hayi. Kuninga. Yo Zimasa, bendiyicinga lonto uba yazi izimpahla sizozirobha. Uphofu mina bengicingela mina self ukuthi angeke ngikhuhlele izimpahla. Ezimdala kanje. Hi guys. Hi. Amboni nivulelana uSemba kithi ebhutini hleli kabi. Hi guys, yazi kuningi umshini lapha endlini awusebenzi. Uma upressa the part yoba ke ngokuhlambe uyipressa ka100 ingapresseki. Ngike ngawusebenzisa ke kodwa ke ngafaka umshini impahla. I think it was last week xa sifika ne ndafaka impahla sharp and then wahlamba but kanzima. And we've been pressing it for the past 3 days. So washing iningi guys, it's a weekend, it's Saturday. Uniform, like there's just a lot of washing, right? Sharp. It needs to be washed. And at this point, we can't keep on hoping that the machine is gonna work because it's clearly not working. Advantages of being in the village is that there'll always be option number 2. Hey, I was saying about chips. I'm actually taking him to FNB to open a bank card for him. That's why he's here. He's supposed to be in the house here and cleaning. But after this, I'm gonna drop Uzmasa with her daughter so that they start with the washing. I'm gonna go with my son to open a bank account for him. He needs a card for himself, a bank card for himself. Ezohlala kuye, guys. And then I go drop him home, and then I come back and I join Uzmasa no Sam Emfuleni. We do the washing and then so that's what we are doing today. My love pimple it's getting bigger and bigger and more painful, and guys, good tricky go wow, and I look weird with this pimple, but now the only thing endibanayo ebusweni it's a love pimple. I don't know, is it called a love pimple because it's very painful. If it wasn't painful then it would have been just a pimple. I don't know, but I think I have a love pimple. But anyway guys, let me stop yapping, and we are rushing. Time now is 10:34, so we're rushing because I think a bank babalango 12. So let's go. Ayo Dan. Sin Patelin. KFC. Hey. Hayi but kupholile lapha emfuleni. Ilontuzana wena uzoxovana wena. Sizobuya seniphushile kodwa hayi sizokhawuleza ngoba because ndiye ndafonela laa mfana endimaziyo phaa ibhenki ndamxelela uba siyeza singazumi ityhu. Inyoka? Hayi sundoyikisa zimasa. Papayin. Ugogo uthi akusiso sakhe. Ya, ezi mpahla zifuna uxova ngeenyawo ukuze zisheshe. Ufunani KFC? Streetwise 2? Shuthi mna ndizothengela uSam ke. Okay, sharp.
Hi guys.
Hi guys. We are coming back from the bank. I didn't do the card. One, they want the original sharp, but then there is a way right? But now the problem is I was eating. The problem is that also if I do the card, they said I need to be the one who picks the card up and who come gets the card and then give it to him. And then I asked if I can put my mom, like I can sign somewhere, and then they know that my mom is gonna come get the card and then give it to him. They said no, the person who opened the card for him is the person who needs to come and get the card. So I called my mom and my mom said she can do it. She will do it on Tuesday. And also another thing, they don't need him to be there. So yeah, one down. I'm gonna go drop him in the house and then go to Ozimasa, give them their food, and yeah, we'll do the washing. Yo, have kids, they said. Because nalo muntu osifuna leli khadi ulijahe ikhadi, you would swear ukuthi unemali, because at the end of the day we are the ones who are going to put money on that card. In order for that card to be functional, to be active, me, Gogo, no babakhe kumele bafake imali kulela card. But the way alijahe ngakhona, you would swear uba unenkunkula zemali. But nonetheless, guys, my mom is gonna do it anyway. So yeah, he'll have his card. I think by next week, because bathe abanawo amakhadi wabantwana, so it will probably take a week for ukuthi afike la eput it right, then ke azolanda. Then uba for abe necard, because yena mdala sekedinga icards. Kuba ngena lana, but now I need to go drop him in the house. Yeah guys, I'll catch up with you guys now. Let me go drop him home.
Sasazi sishe sithi get rich or die trying. Yaza no. Ofuqothukile mawungazange. Indoda yazi.
I am taking the first load at home because clothes are very heavy when they're wet. So I figured let me first take the first load Diogonega, and then come back, because when I come back, obviously gonna come back with Uzmasa and Usem. So nempahla minds, it's just gonna be too much. Kukhona la khamba khona indlela ibe yimbi, guys, like ibe yimbi lokwangempela. So I'm just gonna go Ndonege if load and then come back, so that we don't get stuck on the road with clothes. So yeah, let us go. Oh, alichisi ilanga nona ngasemfuleni. Akusenani. Akusenani. Where you cleaner? Bendise car wash nje. Benihambe ngayo? Benihambe ngayo? Oh, okay. Guys, having a mom is a blessing, because tell me why she's cleaning my car, and I took it to the car wash the other day. Uqale waye uvuke out of nowhere wathi ufuna isikhiya semoto. Well, I thought she was going to use the car. Isikhiya santoni? Oh, okay. I thought she wants to use the car, guys, for Ukabil, good boy. I thought she wanted to use the car because, I mean, she can use my car at any time. Can't you ngifakela petrol? Ina okuhle nikugogo. Oh, I'm saying kanti uyongifakela ipetrol. Uyongigcwalisela imoto, guys. And then now she's cleaning it. I swear, guys, having a mom, oh, Sana. Yazmina, guys, my dad passed away when I was so young, and I can tell you now, anginendaba nje, oh baba, noma bangashona. Well, that's if you don't have a relationship with your dad. But guys, I feel like the pain is just not the same as Uma. Like having a mom is. Just wanted to share that, Uba, guys. Having a mom, what a blessing. Let me continue cooking. Time now is 16 past 4 o'clock. So let me cook. And the same play, and I'm due for a photo shoot as well. Let me cook, guys. So guys, the new creche, they said that the kids can wear uniform. That's if you want to. But yeah, he only wore this for one day. The next day, ulubanzwa funa impahla zakhe. So you're not forced. If you want to, you can get them uniform. If not, they can just wear their clothes. Good morning. Good morning, Banzi. You look nice. Yes, look at you. You're such a big boy. Hi guys. Hi. Oh Sana. Kuyasho ukuthi angisayi-ayinike manje i-wig yami isiyiphara nje. Uyayibo? Ejoburg, guys, i-wig yami iyalalazela. I-iron. Ithi nqa. Yabona manje? Oh, kondi lapha, it's been 2 weeks. Ndiyayikama nje kuphela, guys. Yaze yarong. Hi guys. Welcome back to my channel. Guys, I am going to, okay. Another thing, I don't know how far is this vlog. That's number one. I don't know how far is this vlog. And there's not much happening in Makaya, you know. So I don't know about this vlog. It's just all over the place. I'm not really vlogging because like there's just nothing happening, you know. But dear vlogger anyway. So nje, what is it that I wanted to say? It's very cold today. Today is a Thursday, right? Kids are not going to school tomorrow. Also, I'm going to, okay, Umalus, my cousin. I was supposed to go get my grandmom, kwak, dimse kwa doctor. But because I was too slow, taking forever to bath, my cousin went, took my mom, my grandmom, wamsa esibhedlela, kwa doctor. So mnango, what I'll do, I'm gonna go fetch her, drop her at home, her house. Then my son Anati and Zimasa, they've started with the lessons. Remember guys, in this vlog there was a time, like I think it was the beginning of this vlog, they went to book for Elena's. They got the date sharp, so they've started preparing. So bayafunda bapha nabo. So I don't know if I'm gonna come back with them as well or ngizoqala ngogogo. But bona badala guys bangazigibelela amateksi babuye when they're done. Then I'm gonna go fetch Lubanzi and Mhlengi at school. I drop them in the morning. Then later go fetch Oguhle eskolweni. So I think that's the reason why I'm just not vlogging, because I'm just parenting. I'm dropping kids at school, I'm fetching them later, I'm cooking. It's just the same thing every day. Not that when I'm in Joburg I have something different. I mean, I go to restaurants, try new restaurant, like even my vlogs in Joburg, they're the same. But up in Makaya, I don't know. Anyway, let me stop yapping. Ndiyamindula mama. Or another thing, umama, which is my grandmom, ndimbiza ngumama. Guys, iyaphela i-love pimple, iqala phansi ngiyayibona manje. Iqala phansi iyakhula futhi. The reason I call my grandmom mom, that's because ndikhule ndihlala naye. Ngikhuliswe ugogo mina. Ngikhuliswe ndihlala nogogo nokhokho. So ukhokho passed away and ugogo usaphila. So ugogo ngikhule ngimbiza mama, as in my mom. And then my mom, I don't call her mom, ndimbiza ngosisana, which is her nickname. So when you guys hear me, like my mom is calling me ndithi sisana, that's because I don't say mom to my mom. And ndimbiza ngomama azange ndaqhela because andihlalanga naye. So yeah, that is why I keep making a mistake now when I'm talking to you guys. I keep saying my mom, because I call my grandmom mom. Because benhlala naye, and my mom was in Joburg at that time. So yeah, I don't know if I should go with you guys. I don't know if I should post this vlog or ngivele ngiyeke ngiqale vlog at Joburg. Like, yo, ngaze ngabhoreka. Dibhora ivlog yap. People are working. Oh, kadala ngihlala emakhaya guys, but I'm coming back. I should be driving back tomorrow, which is a Friday. Yeah. So I'll see you guys in Joburg. I need to start editing this video and see uba ingakanani. Ngibone nje ukuthi do I even want to post it or not? Like, am I the only one? Well, let me not speak for other YouTubers. Mina guys, I do sometimes get bored of my vlogs. Not all of them. But sometimes I would post a vlog and I'm like, le vlog bora. But again, that's the reality of life. My life cannot be interesting all the time. There's no way. There's always something interesting in life. It's impossible. Nalabo bahlezi besikhuluma kabi bethi ama South African YouTubers ayabhora. Ma ungake nje ungispeed uyovlogger na ube South African YouTuber, ungafika usijoine kule boring department othi yabhora. Ungafika usijoine because life zabantu guys, they are not that interesting. Sine routine. eyami routine seniyayazi. I go home, I am a mom. Like I'm sure abantu ababuka i-channel yami bangayicula into endiyenzayo, bangayicula from wenza leyo ongeza wenze le yagoduka yolanda abantwana beze Joburg. Like abantu bangayicula into endiyenzayo mna guys, i-life injalo ke. So nalabo abahlezi bethi siyabhora kanjani mina ngihlezi ngisho ngithi yazi uma ungaqunga isibindi uthi wena you gonna start vlogging, I'm gonna show them ukuthi mina i-vlog yenziwa kanjani. Inoba ungaba. Let me stop yapping. Kulungile ke bye. Inoba izinto zokuguga ma. Ngoba uzibanje lezi zinto zokuguga. Awukafiki ku-70 ma?
84.
Una 84? Uya ku-90?
Ngiphethe u-84.
Yo.
Ulaye nakuloya.
Isishixo semoto ndisithenga.
Usifaka ngaphethe.
Hayi nasi manje sifumene. Ngicela unike uzimasa bekufakela ilentuzana ingalahleki. Ama-minutes wakho. Hey. Konje iBhayibheli ithini? Ithi xa sowufike ku-70 wadlula usube sowuphila ngomusa kaJehova.
Right.
Why right sendimfumene umama wena nyuka no. Nyuka no phila no Anandi.
Uphanathi.
Ungene phaya e-shop no.
Go wathi lento uphila uthi base-Shepstone ndibuzibuzi babe basinyuke sesinyuka nabo one.
Ndibafumene apha ePort Edward mina.
Okay, hayi kasonyaka so.
Mandihambise umama ke.
Okay, ngisathola sadibana phezulu.
Yeah, alright sha.
Asasihlala.
Okay. Guys, I've done my errand number. I don't even know my errand number, but yes, I don't know, but niyababona naba bebeyofundile nasi ekabana bebeyofundile nasi bathi iyafundeka bathi iyafundeka uzimasa
Funda phi?
apha ngase-ofisini kagogo baqale ama-lessons ma benza i-license beno-Anatha, so bavuka ke ekuseni ba-attende pha but basa-attendile nasi, then after le nasi ke i-license nizayenza kwapha?
We don't know.
Yeah, but basenzile naso kwangoku ma.
Uzawukhalela umngqusho, thenga umngqusho ongeza.
Uthengwa phi ma umngqusho?
Apha ebhakeni, uthenga apha ebhakeni.
Uphi ebhakeni kanene?
Uyosingena kuyo.
Ndiye khona ebhakeni. Okay. Ukusingubani kagogo?
Iyona nto endisoloko ndiyibuzwa ke andiyazi uba yeyiphi eyiphi.
Ngoba MTN bobabili. Hayi ke that's fine noba ufake kusingubani.
MTN bobabili. So
Guys, we dropped my grandmom, but what happened is she locked the house, right? She locked the house and threw the keys inside the house. After locking the house. And yazi noba uzifake nge-thirstire but uye wathi xa igqiba utshixa endlini wazigibisela ngaphakathi izitshixa. So now we just went to my uncle's school because my uncle stays there to go fetch the keys so that sizomvulela angene ahlale endlini alale. So that's what we are doing now. We're going back to my grandmother's house so we can open for her. Alale bamjove nokumjova so nje udinga umbhede. And then we can go fetch abantwana ke ngoku esikolweni. Uzawuthini ungabi ne-trauma? Le gate umalume akayivuli yonke. Guys, I want to show you something. Let's park. I want to show you there's a chillers. Umalume uyathanda ukwenza indawo ze-chillers. Ukumnake? Ngoba naleya eyamaplanke pha. Uyayigqibezela. Hayi indawo ze-chillers uyazithanda. Guys, ugogo upha eroundini. userowundini, so asimvulele simthathele izinto zakhe simfake endlini. Guys, I said I want to show you guys what my uncle is built. Guys, my uncle uses the cottage. Akafuna ukuhlala endlini, so iyakhe yonke le ndawo. Uzakhele yena ispace sakhe la sokuchilla. This is nice. I like it. This is so cute. I'm sure akakayiqibi. Inhle ne? Nansi nendawo uyifakele nendawo yebrayi phana. Uyayibona guys, nansi indawo yokubrayi. Hola uncle. Uyayibona inhle kanjani? Ndiyayithanda ke mina le. U-extende udonga. Because udonga lwendlu yakhe beluphela apha ebathroom. Wa-extenda wafaka le design. Hayi wena. We edongeni. Oh, into nayo ke i-untight ingathi angafumana umuntu. Uyabona ubuye iyaphuma. Hayi. Intoni le? Inoba yifestire yasendlini. That's why nisithi i-bathroom yakhe iphela apha. Oh, wafaka nalento. Okay. Semandi. Oh, uyazithanda izihlahla ke umalume. Yabona makuza izihlahla. Nansi le ndawo. Nansi. Oh, wathi nendawo yokuhlala nathi. Oh, iyokuhlala noba yokubeka beka inyama apha. Okay, uncle, we see you. Nansi enye i-braai stand guys, hayi umalume kodwa nami ubuya ni-confuse. Nansi enye i-braai stand awayenzile nakuqala guys. Can you see there? La nto pha ene-tiles ezimhlophe i-braai stand nayo isemva kwendlu. Hayi. Umalume ngathi angazi. But yeah, anyway, I wanted to show you guys this. Uba uzenzele nize ngobuningi benu, iphume ngobuningi benu ngoDisemba. Sesinendawo yokuchilla. Yithi laba. Alright, let's go. Ugogo sesimvulele. Samfaka endlini. Uye ebhedini yakhe manje. Into besifuna cause ubelele kusofa lapha eroundini bekuronda vele elele kusofa. I'm like no kuyabanda. Asiqale ngaye. Siqhubeke ngezinto zethu. So yeah. Sambeni guys. I'm not gonna show you guys the other chillers place, Lenama Plank. If you've been here, you know that place. Nansi. Enama planka brown pa, enama steppies. Anyukayo. Umalume nje uhlele sakhe indawo sokuchilla. Every small chance he gets, makabona ba la dingakala indawo yokuhlala. Phezu kwapho. Seyacabanga ukuthi akayenzeni. Uthanda kabi into ene-chillers. Uyayithanda. Umalume. So nje uyadana. Siwagqibile ama-errands kagogo. Khona neenkukhu ke guys apha ekhaya. Xa sirhalele umleqwa siwubamba khona la iinkukhu zikagogo. Sizityele umleqwa. Yho, asihambeni siyolanda abantwana esikolweni. What time is it now? It's 11:41. Baphuma ngo-2 but sizobalanda ngo-12 kuyabanda. It's not like khona abayifundayo and stuff. Buyile esikolweni abahlali. Hayi so imameni. Yeah? Why you need mna? Intoni le? You want cheese?
Yeah.
That's not cheese.
Becca.
Ayo Becca.
Becca.
You want this one? Okay. There we go.
Thank you, mommy.
You're welcome.
So we're going to draw.
Let me make coffee. Okay, let me take this one. Say hi to the vlog. Yeah. Yeah. Hi, Banzi. Hi. Hi. Hi guys, I don't have an outro. However, this video is a mess. Like, yo, Nkosam. At least ngike ngasho kodwa kule vlog ngathi yazi some of my vlogs, I'm like, I'm not sure about this vlog, but I have clips, so it's fine. Let me just see if I can't make a vlog out of the clips that I have. But not all my vlogs are exciting. Well, for me, I'm not saying this for you guys, but I'm just saying because I watch my own vlogs. That's the thing. Now I would make a vlog and watch it myself. Some vlogs excite me, some they don't. But I hope you enjoyed this one. Kulungaleka, bye.
Coming from that pretty mouth, the truth is fitting. Cause you ain't never talking loud and you know plenty. You know what I'm talking about, cause you